I don't know if you're aware recently of the breakouts in the bird flu, and sounds like it could possibly be quite an epidemic. Either way, I've taken this tent and used it as a makeshift protective device to keep Kaisei safe because we value him. Hey Kaisei, you know we're doing this just because we love you. He seems okay by it. He seems okay. Yeah. He's not feeling isolated just yet. Kaisei, ちゃんと座って。危ないから。ちゃんと座って。It does have its challenges, of course, feeding him. Like I'm going in for a mouthful right here. Okay, Kai, here we come. I'm in. Alright, I'm in. Kai, I'm in. Good job, buddy. Alright, and I got the spoon out, and it hasn't been contaminated or anything like that, so yeah, we're all set. Say goodbye to the people on the outside. Yeah, say goodbye. Bless you. Say goodbye to the people in the outside world. Say goodbye. Bye bye. Bye bye. See ya.